Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be making homemade rice paper sushi. For the full recipe, please kindly stick around until the end of the video. First, let's begin by making your sushi rice. I am using a rice cooker for the easiest method of cooking your sushi rice. You can feel free to use a pot of boiling water or any other method you would like to cook your rice, but for me, the rice cooker is the easiest method of making your sushi rice. Once your sushi rice is complete, it is now time to make your rice vinegar mixture. Begin by adding rice vinegar to a mixing bowl. Add granulated sugar and salt. Once you have those ingredients together, combine well, and then you will add it to your sushi rice. As you can see here, my mixture is now ready and I'm going to combine it with my sushi rice. So as you can see here, I'm just drizzling it over the entire portion of sushi rice, and then I'll be mixing it thoroughly together. Make sure you are very gentle when you combine your sushi rice. You don't want to make your sushi rice mushy. So the best method is be very gentle when you're stirring. Once you've combined thoroughly, let your mixture cool for 30 minutes. While your sushi rice is cooling, it is now time to saute your asparagus and mushroom. On medium-high heat, add a drizzle of olive oil and butter to your pan. Then add your asparagus and mushrooms and your salt and pepper to taste. Once you've added in your salt and pepper and you've sauteed for 2 minutes, it is now time to close the lid for 3 or 4 minutes. This will give time for the asparagus and mushroom to steam. After the 4-minute mark, it is now time to check in on your asparagus and your mushrooms. Mine looks about done, so I'm just going to take them off the heat and I've set them aside. It is now time to prepare your rice paper sushi. In order to make your rice paper, you will need to soak your rice paper in warm water for 10 seconds. Begin by adding sesame seeds to the bottom of your rice paper. As you can see here, I'm just adding mine on now. This is an optional step. You do not have to add sesame seeds if you do not like them, but if you do, it makes your sushi look very pretty in the end. Next, begin by adding your sushi rice to your rice paper. As you can see here, I'm using a rice paddle for ease of transfer of the sushi rice to the rice paper. Next, you can add on your asparagus and your mushrooms to your sushi roll. It is now time to roll your sushi. As you can see here, I'm just lifting the rice paper up and I'm rolling it right under the ingredients. I'm tucking in the sides and I'm continue rolling. This is the easiest method for rolling your sushi. As you can see here, I'm just rolling it a little bit more to even it out. You can also do that as well if you find it's a little uneven. I am now beginning my second sushi roll. As you can see here, I've added the sesame seeds, then I'll be adding the rice and the vegetables, and then I will roll my last roll. You can make as many sushi rolls as you would like, but for today, I'm just making 2 sushi rolls. As you can see here, I'm now slicing my sushi rolls into pieces. I'm going to be getting about 8 slices out of my sushi roll as I'm using a medium-sized rice paper to make my sushi with. But feel free to cut them as large or as small as you would like, depending on how you like your sushi. And And there we have it, family. This is my version of homemade rice paper sushi you can make at home. I'm using asparagus and mushroom today, but you can feel free to use any ingredient that you have in your fridge that you would like to use. You can use cucumber, sweet potatoes, carrots, anything that you would like to make your sushi. The total time it will take to prepare this dish is approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes, and here are the ingredients you will need to make your very own sushi at home. Thank you so much for watching my video today. Please kindly like, share, and subscribe to join the family.